weather correspondent, our beloved headmaster, the simple and humble, Reverend Father, Rector, Honorable Chief Guest of today, dedicated teachers, and my dear Josephites, good morning to you all. The season of Christmas begins here today. Let's proclaim joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. As we gather here today, the festive spirit of Christmas fills the air, bringing joy, hope, and chance to connect with one another. In this season of carols and candles, let us pause just for a moment and listen. Listen to the rustle of gratitude. Listen to the heartbeat of togetherness. Listen to the joy around us. Look around and you will see the unmistakable symbols of the season. Twinkling lights adorning homes like constellation brought down to earth. Evergreen trees standing tall as emblems of hope and carols that float through the air like gentle echoes of joy. Christmas is about giving, not the grandeur of gifts wrapped in glittering paper, but the gifts wrapped in sincerity. A listening ear, a helping hand, a forgiving heart. It is also a season of togetherness. Family reunite, friends reconnect, and even strangers exchange smiles as though the world itself has taken a collective breath of kindness. In the world often fractured by haste and noise, Christmas whispers a timeless reminder. We are at our best when we stand together. It's about the warmth we share and the kindness we spread for many. Christmas is a season of giving time, love, and support to those around us. It reminds us it, it's a small act like a smile or helping a friend can make a big difference. Whether you celebrate Christmas personally or simply enjoy the season, the message of hope and love is something we can all embrace. As students, we are the future leaders, change makers. Let's carry the spirit of Christmas within us, not just today, but every day, by showing kindness, standing up for others, and working towards a better world. So, let's celebrate the joy around us for what we have and share the happiness with those in need. May your holiday season be filled with laughter, warmth, and memorable moments. Thank you, and Merry Christmas to you all.